Hello everybody, my name is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale, and today we're going to be doing some garage sale with me action. I finally got enough guts to put on my GoPro, and we hit a few garage sales in the morning before my GoPro died. So I didn't get every single sale that I found stuff at, but I got a lot of it. And I also got an amazing find in someone's trash pile on the way home. So stay tuned. So I was very ill prepared for my first garage sale with me video. I was trying to get everything all lined up correctly. So a few, things are not going to be the best, but we're working with it. It's all good. So this first garage sale, I didn't find a whole lot, but I did bump into a fun Instagram friend, Amber, here in a little bit. And I'm awkward. So of course, I didn't make the best conversation, but that's okay. So at this one, there were a lot of things that were overpriced. So these Sorel shoes were definitely overpriced. They were $50 a piece. For yourself, probably would have been a good deal, but for resale, definitely not. I did, however, find this Young Living, I think this is the Rainstone diffuser, and yeah, $5 into $55, definitely a good pickup for me. Probably should have looked at those oils that were right next to it, but I got super distracted with the camera. Everybody says that you get distracted when you're filming, and you definitely do. Like, let me tell you. I did find these Zaya leggings. They were only $1. I know a lot of people pass up on this, but I still cannot pass it up when it is $1. So went ahead and grabbed those as well. I wondered when I would bump into you.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Am I going to be on the YouTube video?
Oh, maybe. Hey, it's Amber. I know, I walked up and I was like, I think that's her.
I'm like so into everything. I was like, gotta hurry up so I can go to the next one.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's a bunch. There's like one over there. There's one over there. I knew I'd be late to the game. All right, we are done with chatting and back to garage sailing. Of course, we both have to get a move on and get to the next sale, because that is the name of the game. Timing is everything. I did find these amazing LEI vintage Y2K sandals. I could not find the exact comp, but I'm assuming I can get $30 to $40 for these. And I don't know why it's fast forward on that part. I must have did some crap editing. But this bench was super cool. I wish I would have had room in my car for it. I didn't find much at this sale. These are the things that I did find, though. This Lucky Brand little mini leather crossbody bag, and that was $8. I did haggle down $3 at this garage sale. I know I'm like horrible at haggling. But, I always want to pay a fair price, but I do also want to get a great deal as well. So this Motorola baby monitor was $10, and I haggled her down from $18 to $15. So not a big deal. But at this garage sale, this person had eBay comps out, and I know everybody says if you see eBay comps, turn around, but I did end up finding a gem here as well. So I'm just kind of looking around at the hats. Didn't really see any that I really liked, but you always got to look. I always see Homeschool Picker find like $300 and $400 hats, and I never feel like I always find the basic ones. I was looking through the purses. There was a Vera Bradley, but I'm not too into Vera Bradley these days unless it's like a bigger duffel bag or a travel bag. That was a Guess purse. Maybe I should have grabbed that. That is just a Skip Hop diaper bag. They do actually retail for quite a bit. I mean, $50-$60, but they don't resell for that much. They're not like a brand like Itsy Ritsy or anything like that, where the diaper bags are like $200 and $300. But anyway, I did look at that Adidas stuff, but I don't really pick up, basic Adidas anymore, just because it doesn't really sell very well for me. All of these clothes are pretty basic. I saw some LuLaRoe and a few different like vintage pieces that really just didn't appeal to me. And here is the electronics section. So I kind of stay away from electronics for the most part, but I do pick up a few random things here and there. Now, this garage sale did have eBay comps attached to a lot of this electronic stuff, but as you can tell, there was a few things that were missed, so that's great. but I was just showing you guys. They had it priced half price off of the eBay comps, which is fine. I know they just wanted to show, you know, the value and that you are getting a good deal on things, but anyway, a lot of people do turn back when it comes to seeing eBay comps at a garage sale. But I did see this CD player. I have sold CD players before for like 15 to 20 bucks. I probably should have grabbed that one for $1, but I decided against it. And I'm not sure what this is. But I did look at it. I have no idea. I black out when it comes to filming. This I did grab. This is like a little piece of history. Samsung vintage flip phone. They don't even sell flip phones anymore. And that was $3. This next garage sale, as I'm hiking up here, all of these shoes were $15 and they were all size 11s, which is my size. So I was like, if I can't sell these, I will wear them. So I did get these tree runners. I know Allbirds don't sell that well anymore, but 35 to 40 is good enough for me if I don't end up wearing them. There were quite a few beat up Converse shoes here as well, but just not my style. The pattern ones aren't. I did find these Birkenstocks. These are a men's size 12, so I grabbed those for $15 because they were pretty clean. The rest of these shoes weren't super great, so I didn't end up picking up any more of these that are sitting over here, but I did find a total gem coming up. And those ones, I'm not sure if I should have grabbed these ones. Joseph Sibel. I know they're comfort shoes. They were very clean, and I probably should have grabbed them, but I did not. Just moseying on over here to look at the kids' toys because I am always looking for stuff for my kids to play with. Never pay full price for your kids' stuff, folks, because they are going to ruin it eventually. And then you won't be so heartbroken when they do. Let's see here. These sneakers were P448, I'm pretty sure was the brand, and they don't resell that well, so I didn't want to pay 50 bucks for those. But I did find these Freebird boots for $50, and I was super, super happy with that. I think I can sell these for $150 to $200 pretty darn easily, and they are a size 11, so I was super, super pumped about finding those. Yes, look at that comp. Beautiful. I'm just looking at them and obsessing over them, and the lady at the garage sale was super happy that I found them because I was like, I might wear these, I might sell these. We'll see. Okay, it is now a few days later and we are back at the house. I didn't get a ton of stuff, which is great because I don't need a lot, okay? But I'm gonna save the best finds for the very end. We're gonna go through what we found at the run-of-the-mill garage sales, which totally love because bread and butter is my jam. So first we got these Carhartt fitted Force leggings, and they are in a size extra large, which is an amazing size. I should be able to get $40 to $50 for these. They're just the Carhartt women's leggings. They have the little patch in the butt. Last time I sold these, they sold in a few days, and I think I had a small or a medium last time. And they sold, I think, for $45 plus shipping. So you can get really close to retail on these because they are super hot right now. So I paid $5 for that. So got these Under Armour golf pants. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if these are legit golf pants, but they were in somebody's garage sale and they had a bunch of golf stuff. So I'm assuming these were used as golf pants, but they're size 40-32. And I only paid $2 for these. Really, really nice Under Armour pants. They do have like nice grippies too on the waist. This find I haggled down to $7.50. It is a Motorola baby monitor. These are not cheap. I have one of these and it's not the same model. Mine has like two different monitors and it was like retail on it was like $250. I'm thinking I can probably get $40 to $50 for this. I also found this one in the free section. It is Levana. I don't know, but these replacement parts for baby monitors are really popular because if someone breaks this, they don't want to go out and buy a whole new system. They just want to replace this camera. So got that for free since this right here is a little piece of history. Anyway, it is a flip phone. It is by Samsung and they don't sell flip phones anymore. At least not, I have not seen one in a few years in a cell phone store, and these were actually going for $30 to $40 and I paid $3 for this one. I took it out of the box. So the box seemed light. It is because it's right there. But next one was from that same garage sale. It is a Lucky Brand little like micro crossbody. It's really cute. And I paid $7.50 for this one as well. I'm hoping to get 30 to 40. Also went to this lady's garage sale and she had like everything in my size. So it's gonna be really hard to pass these up, but I got these Allbirds. They're very nice and clean on the bottom. They are a US men's 10, so a women's 11. So I'm like, do I need these? I don't need these. And Allbirds don't sell as well as they used to, but I should be able to get $40 plus shipping for those. These were an amazing find and they're also size 11. So it's really gonna be hard for me not to keep these. I'm gonna have to try them on for sure. These are Freebirds. If you don't know, this is an amazing brand to look for. It's like all leather. Look at all this strappy detail. It's called the Baker. And it is, yeah, again, a size 11. Amazing boho style boots. I paid $50 for these and I'm hoping to sell them for $150. Also got these Birkenstocks at this sale. They are a size 44, so they're a men's size 11, but they're in pretty clean condition. I paid $15 for these as well. And I'm assuming I can get at least $50 for these, especially in this season. And they got that nice back strap as well. Got this for free. This little like, oh, it does have a little fish in its mouth. These are called Puffalumps. And I didn't comp this, obviously, because it was free, but it comes with this little Puffalump fish that goes inside his mouth. We'll see, maybe $15 to $20 plus shipping on that one. And then this is the sale I bumped into Amber Waves of Brain on Instagram. She is another Iowa reseller. She was super nice. I should have said, you know, I was like, oh, I figured I would bump into you at some point, but I should have said, hey, are you that girl from TikTok? Because I know she loves that. But I got these really cute Y2K platform sandals. This garage sale was weird. There was a lot of things that were like overpriced to the max, and then these were $1. So like, you really just got to look through everything, even if the prices are super expensive. But I should be able to get, like, these are amazing. As long as everything is solid on them, I should be able to get $30 to $40 for these. Also got these Zaya leggings, which I know a lot of people pass up on these right now, but they are just a nice crop with the, do they have mesh? Yeah, with the mesh in them. I think they're a size small. No, they're a size 4, which is small, but anyway, they're in really nice shape. They were only $1, and if anything, I can sell them locally for $15. Last item that I got at the traditional garage sales was this Young Living essential oils, which is an MLM, but you know, MLM products sell really well if you've been watching me for a while. This I think is the Rain something diffuser. It's like a limited edition one, or it's the one that's like geared towards men. I cannot remember, but this one retails for a ton of money, like $150 to $180, I think this is. So I'm assuming I can probably sell this for at least $50 to $75, and I paid $5 for it. On the way home, I saw this like fake plant in somebody's trash pile, and I knew that citywide cleanup, I think, was going to be that week, because this town had garage sales the weekend before, and so normally that next week they do city cleanup, because it makes sense if people want to put out the stuff that they didn't sell at the garage sale and just have the city come and grab it. That would be the perfect time to do it. So I pulled over and saw this really cute fake plant. I was like, if anything, I can sell that locally and make like 15 or 20 bucks on it. I pulled over and I looked in this trash pile and I was shook. Okay. I was shook. So I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I found 5 of these. If you have ever worked as a waitress, you know exactly what this is. This is a restaurant POS system. I found 5 of these. So these retail for a ton, and they are reselling right now for, I saw one that sold 4 parts only for $250. So that's amazing. I have 5 of these, and I need to, if I can plug them in and prove that they work, that's even better. So 1, 2, 3 of these, like, you know, like the cash drawers that are really heavy. I'm not going to pick that up for you. I also got, goodness, this is like a pile of cords. These Honeywell Orbit barcode scanners. I think I have 3 or 4 of those. I just grabbed this one for an example. This one is the dirtiest out of all of them, but I found like, I think I have 8 or 10 of these receipt printers, the thermal receipt printers, which is awesome. I did look these up. These are probably 50 to 60 bucks a piece. So overall, amazing finds on the side of the road by far. I probably have over $1,000 in sales, and that is pure profit because I was curious and decided to pull over and look through somebody's trash pile. Okay, that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed the garage sale with me. Hoping to do more of those videos soon. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!